Alright guys, I'm going to show you how to make a nice bird parakeet toy. Okay. So first, you're going to have to get, here's things you need. A piece of white paper. Scissors, elastic rubber band, toilet paper. Okay, so first what you're gonna do is get a pencil. A pencil that I have here. Pencil, and draw on the paper like this. And this is how you're gonna draw on the paper.
Yeah, mostly around this.
Okay, so you draw like a box like this. A box like that. And take our scissors and just cut it out. Cut. You're gonna keep cutting around the lines.
You did like an over the phone hour?
And then, this is what you're gonna do. See? Take the piece of paper and roll it like not like that.
Yeah.
And you're going to unroll it. Roll it up like this. And then you put it in. Then you're gonna take your paper cup roll, this is and your rubber band, and put it around like this, around it, and like at the bottom, put it like the bottom, and the other point goes in the same. A little bit hard to put this. Goes in the middle like that. And this goes more.
Do you have a phone number?
Okay. More like this. And the other one on top. So actually goes like this. And then take this and slide it through here like this. And it's a perch.
Sometimes they do have to back order stuff, but you know, sometimes if you do add it, why they don't do it. Recently I ordered a battery and
and
I ordered it.
you've got.
Then I got an email a couple days after saying that they don't have it.
Alright, so you guys soon can get ready for part 2. Very soon.
Yeah.
Can get ready for part 2. But if you enjoyed this video,